Hi! Hello! Maamat-amat ko lakat pa kadto digto. Gusto ko i-discover kung anong ato digto. Ibilin. Okay. Babe was there. Medyo bilin siya dyan eh. Wala man nag-order makuha. Kaya gusto ko ma-discover what lies beyond this land. Bridge ba yan? I want to see kung ano makita dito. This place is really very beautiful. I want to explore this. It's my first time being in this place. And I didn't know that may amuli gali nga place. There is somewhere in Cadiz. Isn't super. And according to somebody nga ginpamangkot ko kagina, this place is called Pag-asa. I don't know if it is a hacienda still, if it is still part of Barangay Daga, I'm not really sure. Basta they call this place Pag-asa. But I just want to explore this place first. So let's go. There you go. See, look at the sky and look at the waters. I think fish pond. I don't know, siya iya sila fish pond. I just want to, sayang wala ko nadala ang ako na camera nga isa, so I will be using my phone first. But for the meantime, next time na mabalik today. I'm really going back on this place. I promise. I promise. Wow. I can hear the birds chirping from the distance. Really? Oh, it's so nice here. Look at this place. Here we are. I can hear the birds chirping from the distance. And I wish I could go there, but I think ato sila sa tabok ng swamp. So hindi na lang. Hindi ko magpadayon. So dito na lang sa akin. Get a tour around. It's really beautiful here. Namanulan ko pala sa mga among nga place. Wala ni bisamon sa bukid. Okay. So padayon ko sa lakat. Kabudlay na sandalan. So bye for now.